Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to use the microphone and camera of your phone in your computer. So here I'm on my computer screen. So where you have to go to irian.com. If you're a Windows user, click on this. For Mac users, click on this. For Ubuntu users, click on this. I'm a Windows user, so I'm going to click on this option. So it is downloading. Now it has been downloaded. Now we have to go to our downloads folder. So this is the file. We have to double click on it. Now it will open the user account control. You have to click on yes. Now it has opened the setup. So click on I accept the agreement. You can read this agreement if you want. Most of the people don't read this. Number of cameras. The default is selected as 1. You can select till 4. I only want 1, so I will click on 1. After that, next. Here you can select the location of the application. It will only take 18.1 megabytes. Then next. After that, click on install. So it is now installing. Now it has installed. Now I'm going to show you the application which needs to be installed in your mobile device. Here I'm on my phone, so you need to download Irian 4K webcam for PC and Mac. I have already downloaded it, so I'm gonna open it. So now it has been opened. It says waiting for connection. So you can either connect it through Wi-Fi, on which your phone and laptop should be on the same Wi-Fi network, or you can connect it through USB. So now it has been connected. As you can see on my laptop screen, it says connected to Xiaomi Redmi 8A. Xiaomi Redmi 8A is my phone, and it says Wi-Fi in the bracket. So it means that the phone is connected through laptop through Wi-Fi. So now here back on the phone screen, you can see that these three are some options. This is the settings option. This is the reverse option. That means it just makes the left portion of this video to the right portion, like this. And this is like a flash icon, flash. You have the torch of the phone. You press on it, it switches on the torch of the phone. Now in the settings, here in the orientation, you can either select a portrait, landscape, or reverse landscape. And this camera, so it says back and front. Back means that the camera on this part of the phone, and the front option means the camera on the screen. So I'm gonna leave it with back. Autofocus, you have to make sure that it is on, so it can automatically focus. Dim screen automatically. Under it says dim screen to save power, so it saves power by dimming the screen. Here microphone boost, here you can select the microphone boost, so it says plus 15 decibels. Here it says hide Irian logo, so you need to buy the pro version. So now on my laptop screen, as you can see that it shows video format. Here it says automatically selected as automatic. So here are many resolutions. This is the HD, this is the 2K 2000 pixels, this is the 4000 pixels. So you can select any. I prefer going with 4K because it is very high quality. So for using the microphone of the phone, you need to go to this sounds, and here as you can see you need to click on recording tab. Here it says microphone Irian webcam. You need to make it default, so it is automatically default. So Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Please click that subscribe button and like button too.